Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes. We'll start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, a little sugar, and baking powder for that perfect rise. Don't forget a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. For your wet ingredients, have milk, an egg, and some melted butter ready. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic breakfast. Now, let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients until they are well combined. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so be careful not to do that. It's time to cook. Preheat your griddle or frying pan to a medium heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and lightly grease it with butter or oil. For each pancake, pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot surface. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Then, flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Your delicious pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices like maple syrup and a pat of butter are always a hit. For a fresh twist, add some berries or sliced bananas. You could also try whipped cream, chocolate chips, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Get creative and make them your own.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.